Hey guys, welcome back to K.Wonderland. So in today's video, I am going to be opening up the Cinnamoroll unboxing bag. Now let's get started. Cinnamoroll and it's Unwrapping blind bag. Okay. So we got common, rare, good. Open. And we got good. Oh my gosh, yay. Now let's get this to open. First thing we're going to pull out is a Cinnamoroll squishy. Good job, it says. Okay, what's next? Oh my gosh, we literally found a keychain. Wow. It's from Cinnamoroll. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. I love you all. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss out when I post anything new. Love yous. Bye.